Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making some oven roasted broccoli, and when it comes out of the oven we're going to put some Parmesan cheese on it. It's delicious. It's so easy. So let's get started. I cut all my broccoli into florets. I just had one head because it's just me and my husband here. So if I was doing a bigger batch, I would probably throw this all into a bowl and toss it in oil. But since I'm just doing this amount, I'm going to take my avocado oil and just spray it liberally. And then make sure it gets all over it. Okay, so that's nice and oily. That's how we want it. And we're going to put some salt. And some pepper. And some garlic powder. And that's it. We're going to put it on our parchment paper, on our baking sheet. And we're just going to spread it around. We're going to put it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. And when it comes out, it'll look a little charred in some places, but those are actually the best bites. And it will be perfectly cooked. And then we will toss some, or I should say we will sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on there and some extra salt. So 15 minutes into the oven it goes. Okay, the broccoli just came out of the oven. It looks perfect. We're gonna put some Parmesan cheese on it. And I am using the powdery stuff. I know people say it's not real cheese. It is real cheese. It's just processed. And it happens to work well with this recipe. You just sprinkle liberally. And then I put a little bit more salt on. And that's it. It's perfect. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.